have a few hours to kill, and the weather is absolute crap outside. As you can see, it's gonna start pouring, but we're gonna go head to Yew Garden and check out some good food and just check out the local culture here in Shanghai.
George was right. Yew Garden is an absolute must when visiting Shanghai, and the ultimate location to kill some time and see some fun stuff. Located in the old city, this bazaar is massive and stimulating. We compiled a list of 9 things to see, do, and eat here. So enjoy. Number 1. Read about the history. This was built in 1559 during the Ming Dynasty. That's all you need to know. Number 2. Visit the American franchises. Not. Do yourself a favor and don't visit the US franchises. They are on every corner here. Number 3. Eat soup dumplings. Such a delicious treat. Drink it, then eat it. Number 4. Buy souvenirs. Everywhere you look, they are forcing themselves onto you. So just buy something. Number 5. Walk the pond bridge. Crowded? Yes. But just do it so you can say you did. Number 6. City of God Temple. Religious or not, swing by. Show respect and save yourself. Number 7. Shop the black market. This is what you came for. So buy those fakes and make your friends back home really happy. Number 8. Drink tea. Lots of it. This is not code for anything. We swear. Tea is good for you. Number 9. Try all the food stands. Stimulus and smell overload. Tucked between the McDonald's and Burger Kings are the tastiest food stands. That's it. If you do these 9 things, then you can check the Yew Garden off your bucket list. Until next time.